Hey there, this is a 2-minute travel tip video for how to clean your suitcase, and I have 2 travel hacks at the end of this video. You just use a wash rag and some dish soap and water, but you don't want to saturate the fabric, okay? You can saturate the wheels because those are the dirtiest part and they can stand up to a lot of water. But for spot cleaning or just cleaning the exterior, I suggest, if it's fabric, to use the dish soap and wash rag to clean the handle and the bars of your suitcase, even the little stumps that are at the bottom of some suitcases that I highly recommend. You should use the little wipes. And then on the inside of your suitcase, I would just empty out all of the glitter or dirt and all the papers and everything. Like, just really shake it out. You can even unzip the liner of most suitcases, but I just would wash that with an antibacterial wipe if you can still find them. And you can also give it a good dousing of some Lysol spray. And one of the best parts of cleaning your suitcase is to dry it with a hair dryer. That air is dry, so if you're in humid weather, you don't want to set it outside to dry, but air drying is a possibility. I have 2 travel hacks for dryer sheets. Once you have a clean and dry suitcase, you want to wipe the inside with a dryer sheet. That'll give it a good smell. And then you can also pack a dryer sheet in your suitcase when you go on vacation, or especially if you're going to a cabin or a condo where you're going to be using a new pillow with a different pillowcase, and slip this inside the pillowcase for a fresh home scent.